Here. Oh my God, it's gonna break my damn box. This is gonna happen. Well, not my box. You're gonna break Isabel's box. Because men don't wear pink or have pink boxes.
It's not pink, it's red.
Shut up, you. My fingers are gonna detach. Now he wants to go again.
Yay!
Again?
Go!
Y'all can make me break a sweat.
It's your workout.
Yeah. Dada? No? I'm gonna go again. No, I'm sweating. Dada. Dada. Dada.
No, my turn to push him.